Let me show you how to set up Apple Cash. Now, if you wanted to be able to use your Apple Cash instead of a credit card or a debit card to send and receive money, maybe in the Messages app, I'll show you how to do it. There are some requirements first, though. The first requirement is to make sure that you're in a country that supports Apple Cash. You can see countries in Africa, Asia, Europe, and you can scroll down to Latin America, Middle East, and I'm in North America in the United States. So make sure you're in a country that is available. The second thing we need to do is to get into your settings and make sure you've turned on a couple things. So open up the Settings app on your phone and then tap on your name at the very top. We need to make sure that you're signed into your Apple ID account. And the second thing is we need to make sure that you have two-factor authentication turned on. So let's tap on Sign In and Security. And from here, two-factor authentication. Just hop in here and make sure it says verify using. You can add a trusted phone number or a different device. After you've added both of those, let's go back to the very beginning and set up that Apple Cash. So from the beginning of your settings, let's scroll down until we find the Wallet and Apple Pay option. Tap on that. And now you can see Apple Cash. I can just toggle this on. Now, it says first, I need your Apple account password. So let me just autofill that. I will use my Face ID here to unlock this. And now if I scroll down and find Apple on this list, I can autofill that password and hit sign in. Now it will start initiating it and walking me through the setup process. I can hit continue here. And again, it will need my Face ID. After I've done that, it will set up that Apple Cash. I'll show you how it works, but keep in mind, it might ask you to add a debit card associated with that Apple Cash account. Essentially, this is the money that it will pull from that debit card into your Apple Cash to pay somebody. Or if you get paid, it will pull that money from being paid and you can deposit it into your debit account. Now I can hit done here once that's done. And you can see I already have a debit card linked on there. So it's all set up and ready to go. Now to send and receive that money, I can open up Messages here. And now if I start just typing in somebody's name and I wanted to hit the plus, I can tap on Apple Cash and immediately start sending and receiving money through Apple Cash through text messages on my iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.